This video covers CHV cook and hold oven preventative maintenance. Daily maintenance. Before performing daily maintenance, disconnect equipment from its electrical power source and allow the unit to cool for at least 30 minutes. Perform daily cleaning procedures as follows. Place an empty bucket or pan under the drain valve. Open the drain valve and allow the evaporator to drain. Remove and clean rack supports using a food-grade stainless steel safe detergent. Spray or wipe the food chamber and evaporator with a food-grade stainless steel safe detergent. Wipe the inside surface to remove all food deposits. Inspect for scale buildup on the tank surface, the water level sensor, and the water probe. If present, apply a descaling agent. Please read all warnings and follow directions listed on the descaling agent package. Rinse all inside surfaces including the evaporator and dry with a clean towel. Rinse and dry and replace the rack supports. Using a damp rag or glass cleaner, clean the control board glass. Next, verify that the drain valve is closed. Then reconnect equipment to electrical power. Quarterly maintenance. Inspect the door gaskets for wear or any rips or tears. Inspect the exterior of the cabinet and ensure that all screws and bolts are secured. Inspect the doors. Ensure that the handles and hinges are secured. Ensure that the doors are aligned correctly. Inspect the drain valve to ensure that it is not leaking. Ensure that all heaters are clean and secure in the holding bracket. Inspect the front panel. Ensure that all readouts and touch controls are operating correctly. Set unit to desired temperature set points and ensure that the unit reaches those set points. Inspect around the bottom of the unit and look for any water leak. If equipped, ensure that the circulating fan is operating. Finally, inspect the cooling fans to ensure that they are operating and free of debris. Annual maintenance. With the unit disconnected from its power source, have an authorized service technician perform the following annual preventative maintenance. Inspect the power cord and plug for loose or frayed connections. Remove the top panel and inspect the wiring for loose connections or burnt wires. Remove the lower access panels and inspect internal plumbing, probe wires, sensor wires, and heater connections. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Winston customer care team.